Hey everyone, we're just going to go over how to cancel subscriptions on your iPhone. So it's pretty straightforward. You want to open settings, scroll up to where your name is, tap on your name, and then you will see subscriptions, tap on subscriptions, and then you can see the list of all of your active subscriptions and when you will be charged again. So if we tap on Apple Arcade, for example, at the very bottom you will see cancel free trial. If you tap on cancel free trial, that will cancel your subscription. So make sure you take a look at your subscriptions just to make sure that you still need them. Leave a like, do all of the YouTube things, and I will see you in the next video. Take care.